I got cut off on that last video with time. So I just changed this from dividing into the long division form. So it's the dollar sign goes into at dollar percent, and you do it just like long division. How many times will this 7 go into the first digit? The and is 2, and 7 won't go into 2 at all. So you go to a 2-digit form. But when you start looking at the 2-digit, that's not just 2 anymore, but that's 2 12s. So how many times will 7 go into 2 12s and 7? So 24 plus 7, that is 31. So how many times will 7 go into 31? Well, it's 4 times. It'll go 28, right? So when you multiply 7 times 4, so it'll go 4 times. So I'm going to put the 4 up there, which is the at sign. 7 times 4 is 28, but we need to write that in base 12. So 28 is 2 12s, which is 24, plus 4. So 28 is 2, the and 4, the at. And then subtract. Of course, and that would cancel, subtract out. 7 minus 4 is 3. And then bring down, is that right? Around 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring down the 6. Okay, so that is not 36. That is 3 12s and a 6. 7 wouldn't go into 36, but 7 will go into, I think, 3 12s plus 6 is 42. So 7 goes into 42 6 times. So you need to do 7 times 6. And 7 times 6 is 42. How do you write 42? 3 and 6. Those subtract with no remainder. So that's the answer. So the big thing, if you're going to work in base 12, is remember, if you're looking at a 2-digit base 12 number, it's not what it appears to be, because that first digit is 12s, how many 12s there are. All right, so short little video for the second part. Couldn't finish it up in the time, so good luck. Let me know if you have any more questions on base 12, and see you soon.